In a faraway town, there lived a community of industrious creatures. Each day, they worked tirelessly to produce and distribute resources, ensuring the prosperity of their home. Among them, a wise and innovative creature named Glim discovered a remarkable invention, a machine that could multiply the production of resources. Excitement filled the town as Glim shared his creation. The community, eager to progress, quickly assembled the machine, hoping for a brighter future. As it began to operate, the town indeed flourished, with an abundance of resources at their disposal. Yet, as time passed, the townsfolk became complacent. Their focus shifted from quality to quantity, neglecting the intricate details that once made their work extraordinary. The once pristine town, filled with wonders, started to resemble a factory, churning out products without care or thought. One day, a visitor from a distant land arrived. The townsfolk showcased their marvelous machine, boasting about its productivity. The visitor, however, remained silent, his eyes scanning the town with a sense of sorrow. "Why are you so sad?" Glim asked the visitor. "Our machine has transformed our town, bringing prosperity and abundance." "I see a different story," the visitor replied. "Your town, once a testament to creativity and craftsmanship, has become a factory. The beauty of your work, the joy in your creations, have been replaced by mindless production." The visitor then pointed to a narrow passage in the town, the only outlet for all the resources produced. "Your machine has created a bottleneck, causing congestion and waste. Your progress has come at a cost." The townsfolk were stunned. They realized their oversight, the unintended consequence of their pursuit of progress. They looked at their once proud town with new eyes, seeing the cracks and flaws they had neglected. Glim, filled with regret, asked the visitor, "What can we do to fix this?" The visitor smiled and said, "Slow down. Relearn the art of craftsmanship. Cherish the quality of your work. And remember, progress should not come at the cost of quality." A town that thrives in both is a town that truly prospers. With newfound wisdom, the townsfolk began to change. They revisited their ways, focusing on quality and craftsmanship once more. The town started to regain its former glory, and the bottleneck slowly disappeared. And so, the tale of the bottleneck serves as a reminder to us all. Progress should never come at the cost of quality. Balance is key to a truly prosperous life.